Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dion from KW Auto Detailing here, and today we have this beautiful BMW that came from the UK that we're about to detail. So, as you can see, this thing is pretty much clean. This is the before now. This is not the after. This is the before. You're probably thinking, what is there to detail? Yes, sir. So this client, he has a landscaping business. He owns two GMC Denali's, this BMW, and a motorcycle. And his wife has two cars as well. But this vehicle here is very special. This vehicle came from the UK, and I believe, I don't know what model it is. I don't know if it's a 2019 or 2020, but it's an M5. I'm not too spiffy on my BMWs, but it is a BMW M5. Like I said, I'm not sure the year, but this thing has low miles. The entire vehicle is PPF'd and ceramic coated. I mean, you can still see the carpet lines on this thing. This thing is not dirty at all. I mean, look at the screen. There's hardly any smudges on the screen, hardly any dust on the dashboard. I mean, white interior, it's beautiful. It's a really nice spec. Have the blue calipers. So, this is the before, and you all bear with me and I'll show you the after in just a second. All right, guys, so 45 minutes later, I am back. This BMW M5 is almost complete. I still have to add the ceramic spray to it. Even though the vehicle is ceramic coated and PPF, he does want a ceramic spray added to the vehicle. I mean, as you all could tell from the last video, this thing was hardly hurt. Nice, the sun is starting to crack out the clouds. Hopefully we don't get any rain. But yeah, man, we treat even the clean car like a dirty car. Wipe all the seats, condition the leather, take the mats out, vacuum. Nothing changes, no cutting corners just because the car is clean. And that she is. But yeah, I didn't even dry the car off, to be honest with you. This is all by the blower. I guess you could say I dried it off, but I haven't put a microfiber to the car yet. I'm going to do that as soon as I back it up into the garage. But I mean, man, it's clean, super clean. I've already washed this GMC Denali as well. Just need to dry it off and do all the tires and rims and all that stuff. But man, this car took me 45 minutes to do. The Denali took me an hour and a half to do. It's the big boy, the work truck. But yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and back this up into the garage. Please pray for me because that garage is super narrow, but it came out, so it must go back in. All right, guys, so I'm about to go ahead and back this BMW up into the garage. I wish I could share more footage, but it's about to get ready to rain, and I am on a crunch schedule today. Like I said, this vehicle only took me 45 minutes to do. A vehicle in this condition should take you no more than an hour tops to complete. As you can tell from the previous clip, it had hardly any dust on the dashboard. Barely any smudges on the screen, man. So we didn't have to go in and, you know, with brushes and stuff like that. Just a clean microfiber towel, get it all nice and good. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So please like and subscribe to this channel. And I got more content coming for you all, man. I just wanted to share this quick wash with you. I have this big Denali behind me, which is also his. We're going to complete. It's pretty much done already. But I just have to dress up the tires and stuff like that before we start getting rained on. But I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Y'all stay safe out there.